Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. We've got a nice one here. Affirm, AFRM. Affirm is an earnings play today. Now it's funny, we saw this in the pre-market. Actually that's the opening candle, the 9:30 candle, but we saw this in the pre-market and it had popped. I actually was my bias was probably to short the pop. If it got going at all, because this was in a super downtrend. I thought, okay, a little bit of relief maybe for the long-term shareholders, but then reality would set in. But no, look at this. This turned out to be an AI alert. 1710 was the alert. Had time to get in it, several times. I mean, it popped down below here, and from even if you waited, and then from 1710, it eventually got all the way up to 1834. These two candles here, this is when the Fed started speaking. That wrecked a lot of long trades, believe me. And then the Fed stopped speaking, and even though the market hasn't ripped, this has done this. So anyway, that's why it made a great trade. Okay, everybody, have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday.